If kagaya ko, gumagamit ka ng DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro or 4 for vlogging, this is for you. Samahan niyo ako mag-unbox itong FOV lens ng newer for DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro at 4. Ito pala ay boost lens no, galing sa newer. And baka naman newer. Sponsor naman dyan. Charot lang. By the way, to flex or atin siyang i-check kung maganda ba siya. By the way, upon reading, ano daw siya? This is a premium high definition optical glass built with high definition and to boost our just lang. Ayan na. Kapagod mag-English. So, kasama sa box natin ay ito na nga. May pang wipes yan. May hindi naman natin binabasa camera. Yan na. Tapos, ito na yung nalagyan ng boost lens natin. Let's check. By the way, alam naman natin na may wide angle na ang DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Pero this will make yung kuha, mas maganda siya. Mas clear and high definition. Ito ng boost lens natin. Premium na premium yung dating niya. It's naka-professional. Charisse, professional. Well, I'm using my DJI Action 5 Pro no for walking and etches na mga and vlogging, and it's very easy to kabit. You just need to remove the old lens. And then, don't forget na, linisan yung lens natin ng mga dust, etc. So, yan, wipe mo lang yan ng gentle. Be gentle. And wipe din natin yung lens para matanggal yung mga dust. It's very easy na ikabit. Ganyan lang. Just follow the leader. Charot, follow nyo lang yung eme ko. Ganyan. So, I'm about to test this. So, please follow, like and follow. If you want to check kung anong result niya, I'm about to test it right now. Medyo tinatamad pa ako mag-vlog kasi yung arthritis ko masakit. Charot, yung gout ko, masakit pa siya. I'm about to test this and we'll check the difference between with 185 degree angle FOV lens and without. So you just need to tawag dito activate it. Just turn on your DJI. Hala, yung mag-on ang DJI Action 5 Pro ko. Feeling ko low-bat na. So, ayan, napalitan ko na ng battery. So, on ko na. On natin. Ayan. Ayan, di ba? Ang dumi ng aking kwarto. Or ayan. So, you just need to activate it by going to settings. And then, yan. Enable nyo lang FOV boost lens. And you will see really difference. High definition talaga siya. Ayan. So, I'll test it outside. You make sure that you will follow my page in order for you to see kung ano yung difference niya, kung mayroon ba or wala. Yan. By default, naka-wide na siya, no? If you are using this. The difference na talaga is nag-improve yung shots niya. Nag-improve yung kuha niya. Ayan. Ayan lang. So, subscribe and follow. Babu.